What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today we are Wednesday, February 11, and I just made around 15k. So here's the proof. 14,500. On every single account we made around 1450, so that's very nice. And not only that, so I have 4 Tradeify's account. I need $400 more and the buffer is met. So from there I can start requesting daily payouts. And the other 6 accounts, so this one Tradeify and all my take profit account, are eligible for a payout. Now the payout will be around 710 on each account, so that's really nice. So let's see how much I can request tonight. Let's just say 700 multiplied by 6. Now on Tradeify it's 10% fees, and on take profit it's 20%, but I'll just say 20% for now. 3360, 3360. Around 4.5k payout. Very nice. Very, very nice. And that's only the beginning, right? So yeah, beautiful day. Thank God, right? So let's get into the recap. Today's simple day, honestly, and I have no words, honestly. So I'm just gonna get into it. Select bar. So as of right now, the whole previous week I won, so I passed the accounts. This week is where I actually started trading the accounts. Monday I won, well actually with Friday. Monday I won. Yesterday was a winning setup, but everyone got stopped out, even the people who traded inverse. And today I won, so I marked the session highs and low. What else can I see? Well, we have data's highs and low, right? Well, lows for this instance. If you guys go check 11, we had news at 8:30 and it was CPI, so this is important news, so we mark them. Beautiful. So market open, what can I see? We went all the way up to Asia. We went all the way up, swept London highs, and then started displacing lower. Perfect. What else can I see? Well, we created a 1 minute fair value gap setup right there, and another bearish fair value gap setup right there, right? Is it in my time to trade yet? No, so I'm still waiting. Is it aligned with my context? Yes. Swept, reversal, 1 minute bearish, all the way to the downside. Can I enter right there? No. Right there, no, 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 no. So if I was entering way before, I would have gotten stopped out. Are we respecting this gap? 110%. Is it in my time to trade? No, I'm still waiting. 9:45, I posted a short. Guys, go check it out. Can I go here? Yeah, no. Yeah, I posted a short if you guys want to see my execution. And yeah, 9:46 is where I got filled, not 9:45. I had a limit order. My stop loss was 150. Here, let me just go make it. Like that. But what did I do? Well, we obviously have these stacked lows or these sell side, so I just placed my TP over there, right? 1 minute, 9:46, speed and efficiency, we go all the way lower, right? So now I'm pretty confident in my trade. I just have to wait until we hit it. I didn't go break even, I didn't go nothing. Now one thing I could have done is probably place my stop loss right there, so my TP would have been hit in like under a minute or 2 minutes, so like that. But I had my TP right there, so I was waiting, and I hit TP. I didn't touch nothing, didn't go break even, nothing, right? And full TP. Now today I was risking more than 500. I still aimed for a 1 to 2 like always, but I risk 750 today. Contract wise, I'm not sure. Let me check. Here, let's just say I entered right there. Yeah, around 6 or 7 mini contract or micro, whatever. Here, let me close that. So yeah, that was the trade. Then we ended up just going all the way down. We swept those data lows and we kept on going down. We swept London lows and we are still going down. But obviously, it doesn't matter. I got my piece, I got my money, and that was it, right? Now just imagine if I held all the way down, because obviously we had momentum and everything, and we have these lows that needs to be taken out, right? But I'm happy with my profit, and that's it. So I was saying I risked 750. As you guys know, yesterday I took 2 trades. There were 2 good trades too, 500 and then 250. So I lost 750. So today I was like, all right, I'll take a trade, because the way that everything moved just made sense. I took a trade for 750, so I was risking 750 for 1.5k, 1 to 2. Worst case scenario, I would have lost it, and then I had to trade tomorrow and Friday for 250 only, and not my usual risk of 500. So as of tomorrow, I'll be risking 500 like always, right? But today I won, so it doesn't matter. I won risking 750 and got this right there. So that's very nice. Already 5k and the week is not even done. So that's very nice in payout. What else? That's honestly it. This month so far has been. So hopefully we just keep on doing what it's doing and I capitalize off it, right? For example, January was still an okay month, but it was harder, right? I was getting stopped out by the tick, for example, stuff like that, right? But it was still an okay month if I actually followed my rules. But for example, this month I need to capitalize off of it. Yeah, something like that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this recap. I'm very happy. It's been a long time since I've seen profit. Last time that I took any payout was in December and it was only 1k. I went from, let me just check, December, October is where I made 25k in payout. November I made 15k. December I crashed out, I only made 1.3k. January made 0, I even lost money honestly. And February so far we're up 5k and it's only Wednesday. Grateful. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.